Hey everybody, Ben Nelson here. Time for another update for you on the Portland residential real estate market. What is going on in the real estate market right now? Well, no surprise with COVID-19, everything going on with that, closures, job losses, people being afraid to get out and go look at houses. All the numbers are down in April compared to April of last year and also compared to the prior month of March of this year. New listings are down about 32% compared to April of 2019, down about 18% compared to March of this year. Pending sales are down about 34% compared to April of 2019, about 13% compared to March of this year. And closed sales are down about 16% compared to April of last year and about 14% compared to March of 2020. So what does that mean? Are we looking at a downward turn here in the market? I don't think so, and here's part of why. First of all, with all of the proactive measures that were taken by the government and with the banks being more willing to talk than they were last time we hit some trouble in the economy, we're being able to work through this process a lot better with people that might not be able to make their payments. Those things are being put off, those things are being handled, so I don't see a big slew of foreclosures coming as long as we can continue to get through this. And with everything starting to open back up, I'm really feeling positive about how the market is going to continue going. We're definitely seeing a lot of activity out there, at least I am. In the buyer market, people are out there looking and wanting to get out there to look at buying a house. So while yes, numbers were down, now it will be interesting to see when the May numbers come out, but I do anticipate that we'll see a big uptick in activity again with the May numbers and then getting into June. Again, as I had said before, I think we see the spring market, we saw a delay in that, and now we're going to have that pushed out into the summer market and see more activity in the summer and then trending into fall. So just a little bit of a delay in that spring buying season. Inventory did go up a little bit, again with that slowdown in buyer activity. Typically this is the time of year we see that continue to trend down. It did go up from 1.8 months to 2.4 months. That's still very low. We're still seeing very low inventory and a need in the market. Interestingly, days on market actually went way down. That was at 61 days on market in March, and even with everything going on and people sitting on the sidelines or waiting things out, that number came down to 44 days on market. So even with overall activity down, we see lower days on market, and so that's, I think, a good sign that people are still wanting to get out and look. We had to figure out some things as far as how that looked, showings and precautions and all that, but I think we're through that now and we're starting to open some things back up. So I see good things coming here in the market. It's still a very strong market, really good loan programs out there, excellent rates. If you're looking to buy or sell, this is still a great time to get out there in the market. Another interesting number that I was looking at was year to date compared to 2019, both new listings and pending sales are down, but closed sales are actually up. So we actually had a lot more activity in closed sales, is even taking into account a little bit of a pretty decent downtick in closed sales in April. We're still above the trend of closed sales of what we were at this point in 2019. I hope that's helpful to you. Thanks for watching. As always, I will post the full market action report on my Facebook page. Be sure to check that out if you want to see all the data. Don't hesitate to reach out if I can answer any questions for you. If you are just wanting to talk through this further, have questions about the market, whatever I can do to help, I'm always available. Feel free to reach out, give me a call, send me a message. Let me know what I can do to help you get from where you are to where you want to be.